right, guys, so getting right to it, as you can see, the total with parts and labor was $2,716 and some change, man. The parts themselves are not that bad. You can see it's like $937, but yeah, they're gonna tax you on the labor for this, man. And luckily, you guys know I have an extended warranty on the car, and you know, I don't know what I would do without this warranty, because this warranty has saved me, you know, it has saved me thousands of dollars, man. As you guys can see, man, you're going to be paying a little bit, but the shudder is gone for now. I hope it doesn't come back. There's no reason for it to come back right now on this car. But yeah, I have my new fluid and my torque converter brand new, man. So, you know, the car, I've driven it already. It's been feeling great so far. You know, smooth shifting, no shudder. So far so good, man. There were some other problems with the car that I needed to get fixed. They were a little bit smaller problems, but I'm not gonna lie, guys, I started hating my Camaro, you know, and I was like, you know what, while I'm under warranty, let's try and get some of these problems fixed. So now that the converter is fixed, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I'm honestly thinking about selling this car. You know, I didn't want to sell it with that problem, because, you know, that's a pretty big deal, and as you can see, it's expensive. So now that it's fixed, didn't have to pay for it. Let me know what you guys think. Should I sell the Camaro, try and get something else, or just keep it? Because the market is still bad. You know, now that I've done services on the car, I know what's done to it, you know, I know the problems are fixed. So, you know, should I keep it, you know, versus if I get a new car, like let's say a ZL1, I am looking at ZL1s, but if I go do it, you know, what problems is that gonna come with, you know? So, but yeah, man, that's what's been going on. I haven't had this car for 3 weeks, man. 3 weeks without this car, and it wasn't fun. But yeah, so let me know if any of you watching this video plan to get the 8-speed, or you have it and maybe you have the shudder, but make sure you get that taken care of, man.